Yes, I can see it properly.
Okay, so this is the EFS. Why we use EFS? It is scalable, fully managed elastic file storage service for use with the AWS cloud services and on-premises resources. It is designed to provide shared file storage that is easy to set up and manage with automatic scaling to handle the varying storage needs without the need of capacity planning. Okay, so if you just check here, why this is the important. Okay, uh, if you anybody come to you and just ask you, just create a scenario, and they need a high availability. They want never compromise on the downtime. The way the people, the company just ask you, just create two availability zone, just create the EC2 instance, just create the website, publish the website, two availability zone, but on the same storage. Okay, just use the same path, and same storage of the website, but you just run your website with two different IPs. First IP just related to the availability 1A, and IP is 1.1. For example, not is exact this IP, but for example, the 1.1.1.2 and 2.2.2, both IPs run only one website. Okay, we will use same storage for this website. If or this EC2 instance will terminate, then and no any impact on the website will continue running through the this website, this IP address. Understand?
Okay.
Understand
Yeah,
the
I
concept?
understand.
Understand the concept? Okay,
Yes, I
this
can.
is related to high availability, no compromise on website downtime. Okay, this is the basically target. This is the basically M. Okay, so now we will use EFS storage system, and in this facility you can easily do with EFS, but EFS is a file system, not support the Windows. This EFS only support the Linux Ubuntu, Linux Amazon Linux, Red Hat, SUSE, Kali Linux, Debian, all the flavors just support EFS. Okay, so first we will create two different EC2 instances with two different availability zone, one A and one B. We will create two EC2 instances, one A and one B, and then we will create two EC2 security group also. Okay, one security group web server, and we will allow the port 80 and 22, 80 for website and 22 for SSH. And then also we will create security group for EFS. Okay, EFS uses NFS system, network file system. So we will allow this port 2049. Okay, we will create this security group also, and then we will create EFS. Okay, and also we just install the HTTPD on both servers, and connect with the common storage, and we will connect with the common storage EFS. Okay, and then we will use this utility command for download the prerequisites, and then we will mount the EFS with this directory. Our website will run through this directory, but this directory will mount with the EFS. Okay, I will show the practically, no problem. I will show the practically, you will understand all the things. Okay, so this is the basically practical, just mount, and we will run the website through common storage. Okay,
Okay,
ready for the practical, ready for the lab.
I'm ready.
Okay, so first of all, just create the security group, two security group. Just click on security group and just this one, delete this one. There is no need. Okay, so first you need to create security group. Okay, this security group, just put the name web server SG, web server security group, and this is the demo, and we are using default VPC. Okay, we are using default VPC. We do not have any customized VPC right now, but use default VPC, and we need two port or two protocol, allow two rule, one for SSH and one for HTTP. Okay, custom anywhere and anywhere, both SSH and HTTP. You already aware with this, these protocols and these depths. Okay,
Yeah.
then create security group, and now you need create another security group. Just go and create another security group, and this time your security group is EFS SG, EFS security group, and this is also demo. And default VPC, again same default VPC, and you need only one rule. Which one? NFS, network file system. Okay, this is the also in list. Just open this one, and this using 2049, and this time you need a source. Do not allow the all. It's very dangerous. If you allow all, then your website will compromise. So do not use anywhere. So just click on this list and select only web server, this security group. Just allow the only two web server. Just allow the two web server which are different availability zone. Okay, then that's it, and create security group. Now you have two security group, one for EFS and one for web server. Okay, now go to the EC2 dashboard and create two EC2 instances. Launch EC2 instance and put the name first web server. First web server we will create in 1A availability zone. 1A means 1A availability zone. Just scroll down and select AWS by Amazon Linux and scroll down T2 micro, and I have already created the key HiSec key .pem. Okay, we need the .pem format. Okay, just created already, and then scroll down and go to the network setting. Just edit network setting. We are using VPC, default VPC. Just leave this as it is, and do not leave the no preference, but select 1A. Okay, this is availability zone. Just use 1A availability zone. Just select this one, and this is the 1A. Okay, remember this thing. This is the 1A security availability zone, and auto assign public IP enable and select the existing security group. There are two security group, customized security group. One is web server and one is EFS. So we just go with the web server security group because this is the web server, and then scroll down and launch instance. Okay. Okay, now go to the instance again. Now just click on the instance. Launch instance, another instance. Just you need another instance. You have just go to the EC2 instance. I think my EC2 instance is running. Oh no, there's no any EC2 instance, only one. So launch again. And this one, web server. Remember 1B now. This is the different availability zone. Scroll down, select Amazon Linux, T2 micro, scroll down and use same HiSec key. Okay, scroll down and edit and use default VPC. And and no preference. Just click on no preference and check the list and go with the 1B. This time just go with the 1B and select the existing security group and go with web server security group. Okay, scroll down and launch start. Okay, now you have two EC2 instances. Okay, this is already terminated. Okay, we have only two EC2 instances. Okay, okay. Now both are initializing. Just wait, just few seconds. And this time we are not using the putty and puttygen, and also we are not using the web console. This time we will use third option, and I think in last class you just tell about the why not we are using CMD. So today we
Yeah.
are using CMD. Okay, happy?
I'm happy.
Just joking. So how can use this one? So just first of all, just go to the where is your key? In the download directory, in the download folder. So you need to go in the downloads. Okay, this is the downloads. Now you need to go. First we want to connect web server 1A. So just select this one and click on connect, and then under the example, this is the best. There are 2, 3, 4 options. First we always use EC2 instance. Now this time you use SSH client. Okay, so under the example, just copy this link and paste here, and then enter, and then type yes, complete yes, YES, yes. Do not go with Y only. Okay, now you are connected with the EC2 user. Sudo -I. Okay, so this is the which one? This is the web dash
1A.
1A. Yes, and now create another one. CD downloads. Okay, but you need to go inside the instances, and this time you just go with the B, connect, and SSH client. Under the example, just copy and paste here and enter, and type yes, complete yes, not Y. Okay, now sudo -I. And now
So
if you want
this
to,
is PowerShell.
yeah, this is the PowerShell. So if you want to increase the size, then control plus button, you can increase. If you want to decrease, then control minus. Okay, this is the
So is
PowerShell.
command line and PowerShell the same thing?
Yeah, yes, the same thing. Both are the editors. 1B. Okay, now this is the 1A and 1B. Okay, so you need to, first of all, you need to install web server on both machine. Okay, start from 1A. Yum install httpd, and here also yum install httpd. Yes. Another software you need, but you just I think yes, this is the console is best. Okay. So just another thing, just systemctl start httpd. Okay, and also just systemctl start httpd. Okay, and now another thing, you need git yum install git. Also just here, just yum install git. Yes. Okay, all the requirement just completed now, and now just check the status of HTTPD system ctl status HTTPD. Yeah, it's running. And also check on 1A system ctl status HTTPD. Okay, it's running. Okay, and now you need a utility. This is the yum install Amazon EFS utility. This just install this utility on both machine. First with A, yes, and also just go with the 1B. Now your both EC2 instances and web server are ready. Now you just configure EFS. Just go to the EFS. Okay, EFS is right here, but if you want to search, then EFS, just type the EFS. Okay, this is the managed file storage for EC2. Just go to the EFS and then create file system. Just click on create file system, and then put the name EFS. Okay, EFS01. Okay, just go with the default VPC. Okay, just go with the default VPC and then create VPC. Okay, now this VPC, this EC2 instance, this EFS is created. Now just check the status is available now. So now you need to configure. Just go inside the EFS, just click on this ID, and right now you have you need to attach the, just click on attach. Okay, now this is the basically just for the mount the EFS to the your web server. So just copy and paste on notepad, just paste on here. Okay, just paste on here. Okay, this is the another EFS. So just delete the EFS. Okay, right now we just change the path. We just mount this storage with the var www html directory. Why? Because we want to keep same storage on both EC2 instances. How
Okay.
and why? Just look at this. Just copy this link and then go to the EC2 first. Just here and then enter. But what is the problem? The failed resolve. Click your file ID correct and ensure that VPC AFS mount target this ID. Okay, just I think we just do not apply. Copy. Yes, already. So just again copy and go to the here, paste again and delete EFS or www HTML. Okay, now just copy this EFS mount and go to the end here, just paste. What? Okay. We just did mistake. So just go to the configuration. Where is the edit? Where is the edit? Where is the edit? Just click here and go to the edit. Okay, we just go with the default one. So just better is just delete this EFS and create again. I will show you
What
the
did you do wrong?
because we did mistake here. Okay, right now it's deleting. Delete the we did mistake here. Confirm. Yeah, it's deleting. Okay, now it's deleted. Okay, nothing, no any EFS. So just go to the EFS system, and we just did mistake this one. Just go to the we just directly create the EC2 stars or directly created the if EFS. Now just EFS and default group and just click on customize. Do not create default. Just customize. Just click on customize and then scroll down and with regional and just disable the enable automatic backup. Okay, just uncheck this one and also just go to the just uncheck this enable encryption for data rest. Okay, these are the just for the cost. We are just the cost, but go to the next and add the this step we just missed. Okay, so just remove all the other availability zones. Just remove 1F, there's no need. 1D just removed. 1C just removed. We need only 1A and 1B because our both EC2 instances created on 1A and 1B. And this is the mistake where we just did just remove the default security group from both sides. Just add which one which we created for EFS. Okay, this one we did mistake this one. Okay, just add EFS security group on both on 1A and 1B on both sides. Then next and then next again and then create. Okay, this was the mistake. Now is creating. Just wait. I think you understand now, right?
I think so.
Yeah. Just go inside the just click on this ID and then attach again. And now this time this address is different. So just copy this address and then go to the again just paste here and remove the EFS and var ww and html. Okay, now just copy and paste. Go to the first A, 1A. Again, sir, just wait. Just wait, go. Fail to import necessary dependency. We just clear everything. Now this one is, and now I think updated. Now, okay. We just not go with the EFS. Okay, we just copy and just copy this one and paste. Now it's okay. Sudo mount -EFS tools, and this is the EFS and var ww html. Yes, it's connected. Now click on here, okay, and then enter. Yes, both are connected. Now you need to just use the GitHub and just clone the website. Just use the GitHub, use any repository, and this time HiSec Online, just use this repository. Just click on code and copy, and then go to the here, just git clone, and this is the basically 1A, okay, and in the last, just where you want to paste /var /ww /html, and then enter. Okay, now it's downloaded. Okay, now just check your website. Just cd var ww and html. We just upload only on one EC2 instance. Just go to the copy the public IP and check your website. Okay, this is the 1A. Just copy and paste on the browser. Okay, now your website is working. Now just go to the back and copy another EC2 instance. Okay, just go to the, this is a different IP address, but just check. Now your website is working from both EC2 instances. We upload only on one side. We do not touch even this EC2 instance, but this website is running from both EC2 instances through the both IP addresses. Understand? Got
Yeah.
it? So this is the high availability. Your website working on the on two EC2 instances, but using same storage.
Are most websites set up this way?
Yeah, but this is the little bit low cost environment. If you just go with the high availability with the auto scaling and with the load balancer, this is the very high cost. But if you have a limited budget, then you can use this thing. Okay, this is the alternative of the high availability, but in the low cost. Okay, but mostly people saving the amount and cost saving and this thing, then this is the best solution for auto scale. And if you just now you have a two EC2 instances, but you can also just any disaster, you can, if you just delete just stop this any web server, just stop, your website will remain up, but through this A, not through B. Okay, this is the IP address. Okay. 214. To where the 214, this is the website. It will up, but this will down because this website will down through this EC2.
Is it possible to do this using Terraform?
Yes, it's possible, but this, if you just go with the Terraform, then totally programming, totally confusing. So first you just clear, first you need to clear step by step everything, then always everything possible through the Terraform. Terraform is a powerful tool. You can do anything. You can create whole project, whole program. But we just still stuck on the security group. That's why I just for the relaxation, just go for another, and then we will go again for Terraform. Okay.
Can you do it one more time?
Sorry.
Can you do it one more time?
No, maximum one or two classes of the Terraform. We will just complete.
No. I mean, yeah. I mean, what you just did. Can you do that one more time?
This one, same.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. No issue. I am just going to it again. But right now I'm just just clean up everything.
Yeah.
Just clear everything. Okay.
No mistakes this time.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. But you know, it's a human error. It's always possible. You know, it's a IT field, specifically in the IT field, there is a huge tool. There are huge ways and methods. You always this is very tough field, you know, but attractive and also a charmful field, and you can earn more money through this field, and you don't care about your job security. If you are a skilled person, don't care about your company, don't care about your bosses. If you have a skills, any
Yeah,
company, you
yeah.
just, so this is the freedom in this field.
Yep.
So now just also delete the security. But without mistake, you can't pick the things. You always, when you just made the mistake, then you will clear the things. So it still is delete shutting down. Okay, now just go to the which thing. Okay, just go to the, so security group. Just first you need to just delete this security group, then you can delete this one, because you are already configured some security and security. Which one? Just delete this one. Both are still in use. Why? Now it's clear. To network associate. Why we just, okay, just delete. Where we just use network security possible. Okay, subnets. Okay, just go to delete the EFS first. Yes, we forget the, first you delete the EFS, then you can delete the other things. Just copy. Deleting now targets for file system. Just wait. Now I just stop my recording. Just I on my fan. Can you hear me properly now?
Yeah.
I just on my fan. Any disturbance? Any noise?
No, it's perfect.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Then so first of all, I just cleared everything now, but just only the just delete the security group. Okay, just click on security group, and also just last thing, just delete. First you delete the EFS. Yes, and then baby. Okay. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, so just step by step. First, we need to create security group. Okay, just leave this one. And how many steps? First, you need to just create the security group, two security group, and then create the EC2 instance, and then EC2 instance, and then EFS. Okay, three step, only three step. Okay, just first you need to configure security group. Okay, just go to this security group and create security group. So first is name is web SG, web security group, and dev, and we are using VPC, default VPC. Okay, and scroll down and inbound rule. Okay, inbound rule, we need two rule minimum for the web. One is
Your screen
HTTP.
is frozen.
My side, my screen. You just check again.
Your screen is frozen.
Oh, I'm just with the wrong Wi-Fi. I'm just going to connect again. Only one. Okay, this is the basically my another Wi-Fi. Now check this. Now check. Is it okay?
Still frozen. Still frozen.
Just I just stop sharing and start again.